Hello, viewers and my wonderful subscribers. What we have today is a cabbage carrot meal, and we start by using a sausage, turkey sausage. That's what we are using today. We have the onions, the bell peppers, jalapenos. We will also chop all those as you have seen in the video. So this is the sausage, turkey sausage. I prefer turkey sausage to beef, mixed beef. Okay. Otherwise, you can also use a turkey mixed grounded turkey. So we put it in the pot, cover it to boil, and for this is very good for low carb. This is a very good low carb meal, and those that are diabetic. After that, we're going to add the onions to it, chopped onions to it, and then we stir very well. We stir very well and allow to cook for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Then we add our shrimps. I'm using the pre-cooked shrimps with the tail on. So mixing it up, and then we also cover it to cook a little bit for another 2-3 minutes, and we stir together, stirring it. So you have the then we add the carrots, sliced carrots. You can do that, you can dice it yourself. This is already the pre-sliced carrots that you can also get in the store. All these are, if you are in a hurry or you did not do prepping, then you can buy already prepped vegetables from the store. Otherwise, you can do it yourself if you have the time. So we've added our carrots now, and then we are now adding our chopped jalapeno, bell pepper, and that's what we have just added to it, the jalapeno, just to give it that spicy taste. Then it's time to add our liquid aminos. This is a sour sauce, 60 mils. This is half a cup. That's half a cup of sour sauce. So half a cup would be 120 mils. So that is what we've just added. And then I also have we also add a low carb, low reduced sodium. This is 60 mils of it. We add that to it too, to give it that taste. No adding of salt, because the low content salt sour sauce it has some salt. Then this is a pre cabbage, and this is a coleslaw mix. When I was preparing this, I did not see cabbage in the store, so you can cut your own cabbage yourself. But because I didn't see cabbage, I decided to use the coleslaw mix that has cabbage and little carrots. So with my own carrots now, it's a lot of carrots in there, which I wanted. And then very simple meal like that, then you stir everything together and leave it to simmer for another uh, 5 minutes. As I said, this is a very low carb meal. I take it, I eat this in the evenings, just like that. I don't add anything, but you can also add, if if you think this will not be, we are adding our lemon now. Half a lemon squeezed, have a lemon in it. And if you think, as I was saying, if you think this will not be enough for you, then you can add rice, eat it with rice. But I eat it alone in the evenings, and by the time I wake up in the morning, I have low, my fasting blood sugar is very low. So we are adding spices now. We've just added cumin. We're adding curry powder to it. You can add any spice of your taste that you like to, give it a spice, to give it that, flavor. And that's, after that, you stir everything together. After adding your spices, cinnamon, I add cinnamon, cumin, curry powder, or if you have turmeric. If you don't have curry powder, you can add turmeric to it. It's the same, gives it that same flavor. So I'm adding the third pack now of the coleslaw mix. The pot wasn't enough for the 3 at once, so I allowed the first 2 to cook down a little bit before adding the third coleslaw mix packet to it. And since I discovered this, it's been a win-win situation. If you are diabetic, this is a good meal, cabbage carrot meal that you can eat in the evenings, and you are full through the night, and when you wake up in the morning, your fasting blood sugar is it's low. It's low. So as I said, if you can eat it in the afternoon as well, and as lunch, you can add rice or any other, can combine it with any other food you want to, if that is what you want to do. But for me, it's a meal for me in the evenings. I have it all the time in my home, and it has cabbage. You know what cabbage is good for? It has nutrients for your body. Helps with your digestion. It has fiber and a whole lot of nutrients that our body needs. And then at the end, we're just going to add olive oil. I add my olive oil at the end so that it's not it's still fresh. It's not the heat is not destroying anything in the olive oil. So I add it at the end of it, just about 60 mils, not much. Add about 60 mils, that's quarter of a cup, 1/4 cup. Just add that, and voila, allow it to cook a little bit, and the meal is ready. See how yummy it is. See how it looks. Thanks for watching. You can see the different colors, how yummy it is. The more colors, the more nutrients. Don't forget to share, like, and try some of these at home and give us a feedback. It is yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye from Grandma's Cooking. Bye bye.